So first of all, very good evening everyone. So today we are going to discuss a classroom presentation, a topic dreams never dies. Okay. Now you can see here dreams never dies. So welcome to spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain spoken English tutor and trainer. So one by one I will invite everyone or every student to for presentation. Okay. So first I am inviting Paridhi. Paridhi, please come on the stage. एक्चुअली यू ऑलरेडी नो ड्रीम्स नेवर डाइज मीन्स आपके सपने जो कि कभी नहीं मरते हैं मीन्स वेन एवर यू सी और वेन एवर यू लुक आफ्टर योर ड्रीम्स सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट you have to share your opinions. Okay, just Paridhi, please come on the stage.
So let's start. So I agree with this topic that dreams never dies, because if we are doing hard work, so we achieve success. And if someone is not allowed to most in some villages, the children are not allowed to go, mainly the girls are not allowed to go out of the city and out of their house, so they can achieve them by another methods, someone achieve their dreams when they are married. And there are so many things, I have an example of Swami Vivekanand. Like, he did hard work to achieve their dreams and etc. So
Paridhi told in good manner. Actually, whenever, however, or whatever means you see the dreams or you see the world or you see your goals, so that time you will find your dream. Okay, next I am inviting Ishika. So please come on the stage. Ishika, you have to share your opinions about it. Okay, you can share the quotes of just like Buddha, Swami Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam also. Okay, Ishika.
Hello everyone, I am Ishika. Today our topic is dream never die. Dream can be seen. Dream can be seen in while sleeping or while wide awake. It is true that dream never die. As you are seeing, while you are child, so your dream is to buy a lot of toy, and when you are adult, so your dream is to become IAS, IPS, and doctor, etc. Dream, it is a thing that dream is just like dream. We watch dream while we are overthinking and sleeping, and it feel us like if it happened with us in real. Thank you.
Said in a good manner means whenever you just like you upgrade yourself, so your dreams also upgraded. Okay, yes, next I'm inviting Shrey.
So basically, dreams never die. That means dreams is an imagination which we can imagine. Means we see the many leaders, they just tell dreams mean the small aim is a crime. The many of them told it is the line that dreams never die. Means if we take a small dream or a small aim, so means it is a crime. And dreams never die. That means if we are means if we have a dream and we want to just complete it, so we should just do our hard work and just complete it. And so now I would like to share the story of APJ Abdul Kalam. So we know that he is a missile man, and means when he is just doing the mission, means he was just doing the mission. He was just doing the mission, and he just failed on the first attempt. But and second time he was just passed and become the first missile man of India.
So Shrey also told in a good manner, just like work hard and just like dream big and never give up. Next I'm inviting Ayush.
So hello everyone. So today, now I will tell you about dreams never die. So the topic dreams never die defines that we all have a dream that we get from our childhood. So the topic dreams never die, as I said to you, that we all have a dream. And if we ever try to conclude our dream or remove it from our mind, but it cannot cannot be concluded because we have a imagination in our mind that we want to become something in our life, we want to be or we want to do for our country. As I take an example of Swami Vivekananda, as he was in the childhood, he taken his dream to work for his constitution. So then he worked hard and somehow become successful to work for our constitution. That's all.
Is told in good manner also. Next I'm inviting Harshit Agrawal.
My opinion, dreams, it is right that dreams always live forever, that we can see that behind every successful person, their dreams, every successful person journey started with the dream. Like if we want to successful in life, so first we have to see dream and then do hard work and firm determination to that. And it is also right, dream are not those things that we see in night while sleeping. Dream are those things that don't allow us to sleep. And that's all about me.
Harshit told very good quote. Next I'm inviting Kush.
So I am starting my topic, dreams never dies. So it's a very best statement for motivation. For motivation in and just I am taking an example of APJ Abdul Kalam, that before when the selection of Indian Air Force was going, he wanted to become a pilot, but he was not selected because of empty seats. Then he chose the another path and prepared for science and engineering. He is also known as he was also known as missile man. So he proved this statement that dreams never dies. And in my conclusion, I want to say that it's no matter that how many challenges you face in your future, but you have to exist and enroll your hard work on your goal. So that's all about my topic.
Kush's presentation was very good. Next I'm inviting Manvi.
Dreams never die. It is a good thing to get motivate ourselves, because there are so many people who have so many big dreams, like they have to do something big in their future, but they are not allowed by their family because of so much pressure, hard work. But at the last they are successful. It's very great. Like there are so many people who are not allowed and they have so many pressure by their family, but that's why they get success. So it is like, if we try, everything and everything in our hand. And also, like I am taking an example of Mary Kom. She is first woman to get gold medal in boxing 2014. Like he was born on 1983 in Manipur, India. And he was from very poor family, but after marriage he had three children. He had three children, but he had three children by the family. They are not allowed it, but they forced their family, and they allowed her to provide them. And after she participated in Commonwealth Championship in boxing, and she got gold medal, and she was first woman to get gold medal. And also in last, I have a quote from APJ Abdul Kalam, which is, if you don't fight for what you want, so don't cry for what you lost. Thank you. Now I want to invite Harshit Yadav.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My topic is dreams never die. So dreams are something that dreams are not something that we see in while we are sleeping, but but dreams are that we do hard work for it. It means the second name of dream is success. If we are successful in our life, so our dream is completed. And and I will take an example of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, that there is a story, just like when in his childhood, he thinks about that he become a lawyer, but everyone did not but everyone force him to not do study, but he tries and he do hard work for to achieve his dream, and he become a big lawyer, and he written constitution and of our India. So that's all from me. Next, I would like to invite Christy.
Okay, so let's begin the topic. So dreams never die. I mean that dreams are very important part of our life, and everyone has some dreams. And dreams are a thing which are very important, because with the help of dream, you know all the differences in your life. And a dream is not true if you think that your dream if you think that your dream cannot scare you, so it means that your dream is too small, and you should make it more difficult, and have some more difficulties. And many successful persons has also told that when people are only 1 inch far from their success, or from their dream that they always wanted, then only the people give up. They quit when they are just just not very far from them, then only they quit. So I think that this is not good. So now I want to invite Yash Raj.
First of all, good evening. I am Yasser Yadav, and our topic is Dream Never Dies. So first, I let you know what is dream. Dream is a thing while the sleeping process is completing, or our imagination. But the second means of dream is our dreams, our goals, our main goals of our life. It is also very important for us. It is also a quote by many great leaders. I have also an example like if some people see dream of any IAS officer or other type of officer or other thing, but they couldn't do the paper and lost their dreams. They lost them. That's all about my topic. Now I want to invite Tejal.
Okay, so it is a true thing that dreams never dies. Like if you want to become something in your life, so dreams are something which can help you to become something, and which never dies in your means in your mind. Like we can take an example of Draupadi Murmu, our president, that she belongs to a tribal village, but she want to become a president, so she worked hard and she proved it. And we can take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam's life, that he belongs to a poor family and he used to sell newspapers, but one day his teacher asked him to stand outside because he haven't brought a desk, and he haven't the desk. So he worked hard and he studied out of the class, and he just proved it, and he became a successful person in his life. So we can learn that dreams never dies if you want to become something. And Jawaharlal Nehru also said that future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of dreams. So like if you believe on dream and you want to become something in your future, so you may. And now I would like to call Purvi.
dreams are never die because dreams are never die because it's very important, and it's you want to become a lawyer, so first you do hard work, and you after you want to and you become. That's all about me. I'm calling.
So, hello everyone, I am Divyansh Rawat, and today's topic is dreams never die. It is true that dreams never die, and its dreams are those things that we can imagine in our daily life. Like we can take an example of SSV Jaiswal. He is in last match he scored 161 score against the Australia, and it is not easy to score against Australia goods, but he is a successful, and his successful life start with a dreams. So and he do lots of he did lots of hard work, so he become a great cricketer. And like we can take example of other cricketer like Virat, MS Dhoni and etc. So that's all about my topic. So please like, comment and share this video.